sambahin ang magandang Pilipinas.
Ngayon po ay makakapanayan po natin ang author ng librong ito, si Ma'am Geraldine Vidor Hernandez Martins. Title pala, Art for Art. Alam niyo, title pa lang nitong libro na ito, nakaka-inspire na. What more pa yung kwento ni Ma'am na kanyang ibabahagi sa atin. Good morning.
Good morning po.
Salamat po sa amin.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpapakulat sa amin.
So, si Ma'am Geraldine po ay tubok ang lolo ko. Pwede po bang i-share sa amin yung story po bilang artist?
Well, I started really when I was young, since I was 2 years old. And then, when I'm in focus, the mayor itself is very focused to support the artists. So from the very beginning, Mayor Jericho Vidor was supporting us. And then until such time, pag artist ka, mahirap get to build art. And then, but still, the Mayor is always there to support the artists. Wherever I go in different kind of the city to make exhibit in different hotels, is always there to available. Minsan lang medyo pressure kasi pagka sila rin ang bono, parang ang laki ng expectation of the art. Pero yun yung nag-push through na napakataling din sa amin bilang artist ng Pilipino ang makarating kung saan kami nakarating ngayon. Kasi ang dali niyang makilala na pag sinabi taga-ang parang hindi mo ganyan, parang pwede rin makita sa bibig. Pero talaga ang pinakamahirap pagkala taga-ang may expectation. Lalo na nag-work sa GMA sa sige, tanggap ka na. Sabi niya ganyan. Kasi taga-ang pa. Pero pag nandun ka, napapressure ako kasi pag sila magkamali ako, di ba? At hanggang isang araw nakarating ng Netherlands, I got an opportunity. Yeah, I recently done. At starting in another country is a lot more difficult than starting in Korea. Kasi doon you have your own works to depend on. Pero at least, I'm lucky that I have a family who supported me there in full. My kids were talented. They from the moment they were born, they were playing instrument. We don't know. Artists in city. They perform on the stage. At most lagi ko yung project, government project to support children, cancer children, children who are victims. Until ako bilang isang tao, I had stress in my life kasi ang bilis ng takbo ng buhay ko. Everything started for too much in one. This book I started writing in 1999. I thought it's not finished. And then I continued in 2003. And then 2003 I thought it's not enough. So nung mga tayong parents ko, nung pag-experience ko bone cancer, hindi pa sila patay. Parang doon I got a lot of emotions. And then I started writing the book. And then from that moment, namatay si Mami, namatay si Daddy, this is one of the contribution na namatay sila inaali ko sa akin. At inaali ko dito sa aking bayan ng Angono. Kasi hindi po dahil sa Angono, hindi ko kami makakarating ko sa Amerika. Kasi utang na loob po kung makapanipag at makasabay. At proud po ako na nakakasama. At ito na po ang
From 1998 hanggang 2018. For 20 years.
Yes. But yung inking idea, I was thinking of writing this when I was young. Every time I make drawing and sketches, I keep one at least. So yung mga artworks dito is start collection of 1970. Parang idea ko na yun. So, I learned na kapag may isa kang dream, it doesn't have to be everything that you can have. Kahit kapag basta naniniwala ka na you can make it and you can do it.
At mas mabubuo yan, naniniwala.
Yes, and that is one of my favorite reasons for the history of the Mayor, maraming salamat po. Ito na po tayo. Maraming salamat po, Madam Imelda Marcos, and Senator Sancho. Sa lahat po ng lahat ng support sa liban namin. Sa lahat ng support sa ang beneficiary po naman ng Project Bangor Elementary School and mga Visit Quezon. Maraming salamat po. At
Salamat po. Salamat po, ma'am. Lahat ng may gusto yung meeting na to.
you can find it online sa YouTube Division. You can find it www.eurointermediateinternational.com. Ang writer po, ang editor po nito ay from Chicago, Miss Mena Bonic. Ang kaibigan ko pong Chicago writer ng Chicago. Maraming salamat po.
Magandang Pilipinas, bida ang lahat sa sigla ng taong bayan at gobyernong matapat. Tayo ay papatnubayang sama-samang aangat sa masaganang Pilipinas, pinagpalang Pilipinas, sa magandang Pilipinas.
Lakbayin ang magandang
Unlad
Pilipinas.
tayong lahat.